Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for June 23rd, 2020. Today we're looking at the EURUSD, the Euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Yesterday in the live trade, we were actually talking about potential short opportunities on the Euro, or what was really looking at a potential long opportunity on the USD. As you can see on the right hand side, US dollar index has been pushing higher. Last Monday, we saw this little run right here, and I'll just highlight it with a circle here. This was last Monday right here. And then last Monday found support. Tuesday turned around, and the rest of the week the dollar went up. So yesterday we were talking about, on Monday, the fact that we had seen a similar scenario where the market went down into support near the blue trend line, and we were looking for potential signals that told us it was going to turn around and go back up. Never really had those signals, so we never had an opportunity to buy the dollar, which is good because it continued to pressure lower, now back underneath that blue trend line. I do make note, of course, the fact that the current low where we are right now is a little bit higher than the last low from last Monday, and still has potential to turn around and go back up. But currently the market is more bearish on the dollar, and I think, at least for the time being, we need to focus on what the market is doing. The market is going down. There's some bearish sentiment, and that's what we need to focus on until we see something different, until it turns back around and goes back in the other direction like it did last Monday. So for the time being, we'll focus on the short dollar, which means we'll focus on long Euro USD. Again, when you look at the similarities over here on the left-hand side, last Monday, we saw the market turn around and go back up. Find resistance last Monday and then turn around and go back down. For the rest of the week, it went down. So yesterday we were talking about going up. We were looking for right around the yellow shaded area some sort of short signal. Well, we never got a short signal around the yellow shaded area, and it broke through it, and it opened and closed above it and has continued to go higher. I think what's most important for the day today is that we are above the green shaded area, 1.1285, 11270, which gives me some expectation that the market and the buyers may look to challenge the next resistance level, which is the purple zone. How do I know that the next resistance level is the purple zone? I just look to the left hand side right here where I just drew this other circle on the far left hand side of the screen and picture. Look at what it did. Above the green zone, went to the purple zone. Not too far beyond that, and I'll just grab this circle and pull it right here. It did that here too. So above the green zone, we know the purple zone is our next resistance. Even taking Fibonacci from the highest high on the chart to the lowest low, we put the 618 fib at 1.1325. That's the top of the purple zone. So right now, the expectation is if the USD continues to go down, we look for the euro dollar to stay above the green zone, 112.85, and continue to push to the purple zone, which is 113.1525. And of course, if it breaks above there, we'd look for it to go higher to 113.65, or even all the way back to the highest high on the chart. I don't think selling right now makes a heck of a lot of sense. It's not at resistance, and we haven't seen any bearish price action. So I'm still looking for the long euro dollar, the short USD, looking for it to continue to pressure down in the direction it is going. And the best low risk opportunity to do that, in my opinion, is wait for it to get as close as possible to the green zone. Again, look at those two black circles back there. We know that the green zone has been support, it's been resistance as well. So if we're going to buy, we want to buy as close as possible to that. Our risk is, of course, right now that it gets back under that green zone. Stop loss, if you decide to buy near the green zone, will be under the green zone, and your target is the purple zone, or perhaps even sometime the yellow zone all the way up here if it continues to pressure through that purple zone. If you're still considering the short side for the euro dollar, probably waiting for it to reach that purple shaded area before you look for that opportunity. So for the day, I'd like to buy it close as possible to the green zone, kind of like what you could have done here at the yellow zone, and target the purple zone for the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.